Hi everyone, my name is Maddie coming to you from the Children's Museum Houston, and today I'm excited to show you how to do your own DIY Halloween costume. I'm going to show you how to be a cloud. So in order for you to make your cloud costume, you're going to need the following materials. So I'm using a hat, just a straw floppy hat, and then I have some yarn with raindrops on them. I have a little rainbow, and of course you're going to need a hot glue gun with your hot glue sticks. Make sure you use your adult supervision while using the hot glue gun, and you're going to need some pillow fluff for your cloud. Now first, to make our cloud, we're going to take our pillow fluff and we're just going to hot glue it all over our hat until it's completely covered. After you finish hot gluing all of your fluff to your hat, then we're going to flip it over. And we're going to take the raindrops that you made and we're going to hot glue them to the edge of your hat. So I just took some construction paper and then cut out little raindrops out of them. Now after gluing on all of your raindrops, I'm going to take my rainbow and glue it at the top of my hat. And there you have your cloud costume. And to pull your whole look together, add some gray face paint and some raindrops, and here you have your cloud costume. My name is Maddie coming to you from Children's Museum Houston. Thank you for following along with me on how to make your own DIY cloud costume. And I hope to see you next time. Happy Halloween!